guys, it's Em and I'm here to do a what I ate today / day 2 of Step Into Tracking March, and it's arm workout day at the gym. So if you guys want to stay tuned for that, then let's get started. This morning was protein pancakes and turkey bacon. I had 3 Smart Points worth of pancakes, a Smart Point worth of Mrs. Butterworth's sugar-free syrup, and then I had 2 slices of turkey bacon for 2 Smart Points, and then the cantaloupe was of course 0 Smart Points. Lunch today was 7 Smart Points. I had 4 points worth of these little pretzel guys. I think it was 16 of them for 4 points, and then I had a little egg salad. I did 1 hard-boiled egg, 1 tablespoon of light mayo, some salt and pepper, and then I had some veggies on the side. It was really filling and kept me full until my big old dinner, which you'll see here. And then dinner tonight was 11 Smart Points. I had these little homemade burgers I made on a 3 Smart Point bun and a 1 point salad. So altogether it was 11. It was super delicious, and I will definitely be making those little guys again. Actually, I shouldn't say little, they were pretty huge. Then at the end of the night, we went to Starbucks and I got this bento box. I'm going to guess it was about 9 Smart Points. I really don't know. I could look it up in a little bit. And then I did have a 1 Smart Point decaf sugar-free vanilla coffee. Anyways, I want to take this time to close out this vlog. I'm sorry I'm not super chatty in it. We had a very busy evening with kids' swimming lessons, but I still got out to go to the gym. I got my 10,000 steps in, I drank 13 cups of water, and I went to the gym like I said. So I will see you guys tomorrow for day 3 of Step Into Tracking. Bye guys!